Hi, welcome to Bike Hunters, and first I'm going to do a bike check. So I'm just going to go through that really quickly now. Right, so the first thing is mainly the frame, which is a felt Volt, this is the 2012 version. I've got some cork handlebars ready to take the stick off. There's a felt stem, I don't really know what model that is. Some felt forks, this is mainly a felt bike. I've run 2 pegs because that's the easiest, but I can do nothing on them yet. Some Odyssey pedals, like the ones you saw last time in the giveaway, but they aren't this. X-Rims rims, and Trailer Park tyres from Mongoose. Felt seat, most of this stuff is what come with the bike. My sprocket's the favourite part of the bike. You see a sprocket.
Who's orange, bitch?
Favourite part of the bike. The sprocket. And I forgot what. I think it's another cool brake lever, brake line, and Tektro brake lever. It's a really good bike. I've had it for about 4 months now, since I started riding properly. And yeah, so is my coffin. I've got a really bad cough at the minute. But anyway, yeah, this is the bike I ride. As I said, 4 months riding, and 4 months from this. I used to do dirt on my old bike, but I decided to get this and try parts. So that's what I've been trying more recently. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is my bike.